If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
Question: which objects can you use to assign payment approval patterns in customizing? Option 1: currency and amount limit. Option 2: account type and company code. Option 3: currency and account type. Option 4: company code and amount limit. Question: which of the following file types are supported by default when you use SAP Multi-Bank Connectivity? BR/3. Option 1: bank statement files. Option 2: SWIFT correspondence acknowledgement files. Option 3: SWIFT correspondence files. Option 4: SWIFT payment files. Option 5: SWIFT payment status files. Question: you are capturing the settings for new limit types in Credit Risk Analyzer. What do you define BR/ using the Define Limit Types configuration activity? 2. Option 1: limit transfer. Option 2: limit characteristic assignment. Option 3: determination procedure. Option 4: limit amount. Question: which of the component is a sub-area of the Treasury Management Solution area? Option 1: Treasury and Risk Management component. Option 2: in SAP HANA. Option 3: online sourcing functionality. Option 4: competitive bidding. Question: what can either be on providing an internal service for the affiliated group companies? Option 1: request for proposals. Option 2: SAP HANA. Option 3: approval tasks. Option 4: emphasis. Question: which of the manager provides the instruments for processing the related financial transactions, BR/ from deal capture through to transferring the relevant data to financial accounting? Option 1: transaction manager. Option 2: bidding rules. Option 3: currency rules. Option 4: market feedback. Question: which of the analyzer offers extensive position evaluations, such as mark-to-market valuations BR/ of financial transactions? Option 1: in SAP BW. Option 2: active observers. Option 3: administrators. Option 4: market risk analyzer. Question: what can be based on both real and simulated market prices? Option 1: article master. Option 2: new leads. Option 3: contract and supplier management. Option 4: valuations. Question: which of the analyzer focuses on measuring, analyzing, and controlling counterparty default risk? Option 1: credit risk analyzer. Option 2: find buyers ready to buy. Option 3: accelerate sales cycles. Option 4: customer retention. Question: what is designed to provide the answers regarding the economic success of investments? Option 1: board and track. Option 2: broadcast it with catalogs. Option 3: article master. Option 4: portfolio analyzer. Question: manager can be evaluated and monitored using the functions in risk management? Option 1: column store. Option 2: risk management. Option 3: surveys. Option 4: financial transactions. Question: what is earned from the investment of these funds represents a secure and long-term financial source BR/. Option 1 Attribute groups. Option 2 Commodity classification. Option 3 Enrichment services. Option 4 Revenue. Question: which of the pool certificates are mapped using securities from the investment certificate BR/product category? Option 1 Investment pool certificates. Option 2 ERFX, auctions. Option 3 Knowledge/repository. Option 4 Ariba discovery. Question: which type of pools are entered in the master data? Option 1 Participants and investment pools. Option 2 Process compliance. Option 3 Pricing and terms repository. Option 4 Modern computer systems. Question: which of the pool participants are represented in the system by a fund or a combination of a BR/fund and grant? Option 1 Investment pool participants. Option 2 A bill of materials, BOM. Option 3 Forecast commit. Option 4 PO/schedule agreement collab. Question: where the transaction manager supports you by complying with the legal requirements BR/ according to the German Fiscal Code and the publication principles of data access and BR/ verifiability of digital documentation from the German Federal Ministry of Finance. Option 1 SAP applications. Option 2 ASN and quality. Option 3 in the area of treasury and risk management. Option 4 inventory collaboration. Question: which of the object is used to archive and delete financial transactions in the transaction BR/manager as well as related subentities? Option 1 Follow-on project. Option 2 Dynamic discounts. Option 3 TRTM_FTR archiving object. Option 4 SAP HANA. Question: which type of transactions are mapped for most of the product categories before the key date? Option 1 Typed in manually. Option 2 Copied from the sourcing library. Option 3 Imported from a spreadsheet. Option 4 Business transactions. Question: which of the option allows you to write up or write down a position to a fixed book value? Option 1 Manual valuation. Option 2 Historic value. Option 3 Reserve value. Option 4 New composite provider. Question: which of the manager is responsible for providing information about the short and medium-term financial situation as a basis for financial planning? Option 1 Amount-based commodities. Option 2 Project owners. Option 3 Surrogate bidders. Option 4 Fund manager. Question: which of the manager is responsible for managing all the company and #39's treasury activities? Option 1 SAP BW/4 HANA. Option 2 Create and edit announcements. Option 3 View audit logs. Option 4 Treasury manager. Question: which of the app's reference library has details about the content necessary for giving users BR/access to an app on the SAP Fiori Launchpad? Option 1 SAP Fiori apps. Option 2 Commodity. Option 3 Project amount. Option 4 Contract length. Question, where you define interest conditions for reference interest rates. Option 1 Cost Element Accounting. Option 2 Cost Center Accounting. Option 3 Profitability Analysis. Option 4 In Customizing. Question, what are used for the interest rate instrument on which the reference interest rate is based to describe when and how much money is paid? Option 1 Perform Cost Accounting. Option 2 Sales Order Management. Option 3 Review Tasks. Option 4 Interest Conditions. Question, what are premiums and discounts on one side of a basis swap that make the swap into a fair transaction Option 1 Basis Spreads. Option 2 SAP BW Transformation. Option 3 Composite Provider. Option 4 SAP HANA Decision Table. Question, which of the partner is used for asset positions, and the company code is used for liabilities positions? Option 1 Business Partner. Option 2 Company. Option 3 Code Currency. Option 4 Object Currency. Question, what is determined on the basis of past data for the price parameter? Option 1 Statistical orders. Option 2 Statistical projects. Option 3 Profit centers. Option 4 Historical volatility. Question, which of the model is largely an optimization in which the system finds values for the hull white volatility parameters sigma and reversion rate A, in which the option prices, calculated using the hull white model or Black-Scholes model, match as far as possible? Option 1 Calibration of the hull white interest rate model. Option 2 Purchase order. Option 3 Delivery note number. Option 4 Form-based document. Question, which of the value always relates to a basis spread ID, a quotation type, and a rate date? Option 1 Basis spread value. Option 2 General data. Option 3 Accounting data. Option 4 Purchasing data. Question, which of the manager is based on the business partner concept? Option 1 SAP BW application. Option 2 Required tasks. Option 3 Work templates. Option 4 Transaction manager. Question, which type of transactions are concluded with business partner within the transaction manager? Option 1 Financial transactions. Option 2 Cost element accounting. Option 3 Cost center accounting. Option 4 Profitability analysis. Question, which of the data is stored in business partner maintenance under company code on a number of /tabs /? Option 1 Configure transactions documents. Option 2 SAP Ariba Cloud integration. Option 3 SAP Ariba solutions. Option 4 company code dependent data. Question, where you can also configure for which master data, business partner, customer, vendor, the BR/company code is created. Option 1, in the detail view. Option 2, software update manager, SUM. Option 3, desktop file sync, DFS, is not activated. Option 4, it must be a PDF document. Question, which of the code column appears in the payment details for a transaction and in the standing BR/instructions? Option 1, recurring and fixed costs. Option 2, need for more detailed analysis of resource utilization. Option 3, complexity. Option 4, repetitive code column. Question, which of the directory must contain master data on all the banks that you require for payment BR/transactions with your business partners? Option 1, supplier. Option 2, invoice. Option 3, hierarchy node. Option 4, bank directory. Question, which of the logic is based on repayment flows that contain the payment date, payment amount BR/ and currency? Option 1, calculation logic. Option 2, dual stack split tool. Option 3, sub-agreement. Option 4, standalone agreement. Question, where you collect future incoming and outgoing payments of your company that are associated BR/ with a currency risk. Option 1, the approver can be an external, email, user. Option 2, the approver must be a user in the system. Option 3, documents must be in published status. Option 4, in exposure management 2.0. Question, what are risk positions that result from your transactions and that you can either import using a BR/B API from a source system, create automatically logistics, or enter manually in the system? Option 1, raw exposures. Option 2, creating. Option 3, initial. Option 4, composing. Question, which of the positions are integrated in Market Risk Analyzer of Treasury and Risk Management? Option 1, exposure positions. Option 2, sourcing. Option 3, contracts. Option 4, reporting. Question, which of the types are derived from the exposure types, and the respective business activity types are BR/determined from the exposure activity types? Option 1, indicate you are not interested in a sub-year and #39, S response. Option 2, respond to a sub-year and #39, S question. Option 3, a simple request for a needed contract creation. Option 4, corresponding business types. Question, where you can specify whether auto matching needs to be performed for a given risk type. Option 1, query views. Option 2, segment. Option 3, catalog. Option 4 in the customizing settings for the exposure life cyclic. Question: which of the exposures are risk positions that result from transactions that you can either BR/import using a B API from a source system? Option 1 Raw exposures. Option 2 SAP HANA Live Browser. Option 3 Contract and Supplier Management. Option 4 PO and Invoices, Unlimited. Question: when entering raw exposures. Option 1 Historical snapshots and archiving. Option 2 Application authentication. Option 3 Operational contract. Option 4 when you first enter the header data of the raw exposure and then the line items. Question: which of the values are derived from the exposure position data in Exposure Management 2.0? Option 1 PO and non-PO invoices. Option 2 Active compliance. Option 3 Manual I order. Option 4 Characteristic values. Question: where you determine how the system fills the financial object properties from the data fields of BR/the exposure positions. Option 1 in the derivation strategy. Option 2 SAP S/4 HANA on-premises edition. Option 3 project cost and revenue by project. Option 4 forecasted utilization. Question: which of the program first checks whether the flows and sub-raw exposures can be archived? Option 1 Customer projects. Option 2 Statistical authorities. Option 3 Direct cost projects. Option 4 Pre-processing program. Question: if the exposure position has been transferred to hedge management, which of the following applies? Option 1 A hedge plan must exist. Option 2 A hedged item needs to have been created. Option 3 the end date of the hedge plan and the reclassification dates of all related hedge items must fall before the key date for archiving. Option 4 location master data. Question: which of the management enables you to gain an overview of the foreign exchange risk that BR/your company is exposed to, as well as the hedging instruments which you use to mitigate that BR/risk? Option 1 Intrastat declaration runs. Option 2 Minimum hardware. Option 3 Software requirements. Option 4 Hedge management. Question: which of the areas is the basic master data in the hedge management cockpit? Option 1 XXL info objects. Option 2 business document. Option 3 shelf panel. Option 4 hedging area. Question: which of the management cockpit enables you to gain an overview of the foreign exchange risk BR/ that your company is exposed to, as well as the hedging instruments? Option 1 Hedge management cockpit. Option 2 Request management. Option 3 SAP Ariba Commerce. Option 4 Open opportunity. Question: What is a position that is needed when you use the automated designation process for hedge BR/accounting? Option 1 Exposure Sub-item. Option 2 Cash Flow Management. Option 3 Certificate Logged. Option 4 Local Computer. Question: which of the sheet recognition date is the date on which a receivable or payable is posted to BR/the balance sheet? Option 1 System automatically. Option 2 Generates an ID. Option 3 The number range. Option 4 Balance sheet. Question: which of the date is derived from the designation splitting settings made on the hedge BR/accounting I tab in the hedging area? Option 1 Payment method. Option 2 Platform support. Option 3 Price components. Option 4 Deviant date. Question: which of the currencies are the currencies that are relevant for hedging in the hedging area? Option 1 OData providers. Option 2 SAP data services. Option 3 SAP ERP extractors. Option 4 risk currencies. Question: which of the items reflect the granularity on which you monitor and hedge your FX exposures in BR/the hedge management cockpit? Transaction tone. Option 1 Sales employee. Option 2 Impex extension. Option 3 Purchase orders. Option 4 Analysis items. Question: what are entered on a higher level than the analysis items? Option 1 Target quotas. Option 2 Composite provider. Option 3 Business configuration. Option 4 Sales and marketing. Question: which of the level is used to determine whether the hedging instruments are designated to the BR/net exposure item or to the gross exposure item with larger absolute value of the relevant BR/analysis item? Option 1 Target composite provider, HCPR. Option 2 Scheduling agreement. Option 3 Setting up internal support teams. Option 4 Designation level. Question: which of the carries the hedging reserve and cost of hedging reserve of the hedging instrument? Option 1 in the BW462 demo data info area. Option 2 Application and user management. Option 3 Business analytics. Option 4 Exposure sub-item carries. Question: what is created with the hedging relationship on the end date of the exposure sub-item? Option 1 SAP BW Administrator. Option 2 Internal. Option 3 Target groups. Option 4 Update type open. Question: which of the class is needed so that the position management procedure can be determined for BR/exposure sub-items? Option 1 In-place conversion. Option 2 Greenfield conversion. Option 3 Remote conversion. Option 4 General valuation. Question: which of the calculation type controls the creation of the hypothetical derivative, the BR/decomposition of the market rate components, and the creation of the market value components BR/? Option 1 hedge accounting calculation. Option 2 push down. Option 3 capital expenditure. Option 4 system attempts. Question: which of the profile is assigned to each hedging relationship in the Manage Hedging BR/relationships function, transaction TPM 100, on the Hedging Relationship Details tab in the Risk BR/and Profile area? Option 1 Hedging Profile. Option 2 Business Configuration. Option 3 Sales and Marketing. Option 4 SAP HANA Execution Mode. Question: which of the management uses the traded currency for FX forward transactions, FX forwards, BR/ and OTC options? Option 1 SAP Treasury and Risk Management. Option 2 SAP Ariba Account Administrator. Option 3 Removing obsolete addresses. Option 4 Data migration. Question: which of the classification is relevant for the hedge management and accounting for net open BR/exposures, FX risk, process? Option 1 Capital expenditure. Option 2 System attempts. Option 3 Hedging classification. Option 4 Latest price components. Question: which of the report is relevant if you start with the hedge management and accounting of net BR/open exposures process and need to initialize existing hedging relationships? Option 1 Customer projects. Option 2 Initialize hedging relationships report. Option 3 Statistical authorities. Option 4 Direct cost projects. Question: which of the items are necessary for the hedge accounting process? During the automated BR/designation process, the hedged exposure item is identified automatically and BR/ the corresponding exposure sub-items are created and assigned to the hedged items. Option 1 Operational data store. Option 2 SAP Ariba sourcing. Option 3 SAP Ariba contracts. Option 4 Exposure items. Question: which of the management cockpit gives you an overview of your current net open exposures, BR/ so you can take your hedging decisions? Option 1 Hedge management. Option 2 Integration with other. Option 3 Areas is enabled. Option 4 External system. Question: which of the requests are now relevant for the trader, who searches for the released FX hedge BR/requests in the process hedge request function and creates hedging instruments, according to BR/ the information given in the hedge request? Option 1 Request for quotation. Option 2 Payment method. Option 3 Platform support. Option 4 Released FX hedge requests. Question: which of the rules specifies how the hedged item and the hedging instruments are evaluated BR/ before designation? Option 1 SAP Ariba Cloud integration. Option 2 Payment method. Option 3 Platform support. Option 4 Hedge accounting rule. Question: which of the class is needed so that the position management procedure can be determined for BR/exposure sub-items? Option 1 General valuation class. Option 2, Open OD's View. Option 3, Public Edition. Option 4, Private Edition. Question: which of the components are used to calculate the cost of hedging reserve? Option 1, Info Source Fields. Option 2, SAP ERP Buyers. Option 3, SAP ERP Systems. Option 4, CCBS, NPV_CCBS, Components. Question: which of the values are required for the valuation that takes place during the release of hedging BR/business transactions? Option 1, SAP ERP Systems. Option 2, SAP ERP Users. Option 3, Open OD's View. Option 4, Component Values. Question: which of the components are calculated based on the forward, NPV_FWD, and the CCBS BR/NPV_CCBS, components? Option 1, SAP BW Workspace Modeling and Enrichment. Option 2, SAP Ariba Cloud Integration. Option 3, 1322 Effective/Cost of Hedging Reserve. Option 4, 1333 Ineffective/Cost of Hedging Reserve TPL. Question: which of the rules specifies how the hedged item and the hedging transaction are valuated BR/before designation, during designation, during the term, and during de-designation of the BR/hedging relationship? Option 1, SAP Process Integration. Option 2, Update the line item text. Option 3, Requests for quotation. Option 4, Hedge accounting rule. Question: which of the component is used to calculate the hedging reserve? Option 1, SAP Process Integration. Option 2, Update the line item text. Option 3, Requests for quotation. Option 4, Intrinsic component. Question: which type of relationships are performed as key date valuations, transaction TPM1, or as part BR/ of derived business transactions? Option 1, Corporate Memory Layer. Option 2, Sourcing Request. Option 3, Quote Request. Option 4, Valuations during hedging relationships. Question: which of the derivative is required for performing the effectiveness tests? Option 1, Hypothetical derivative. Option 2, Cannot be edited directly. Option 3, After approval, used to generate one or more purchase orders. Option 4, Legal document, created by the system. Question: which of the key figures are calculated for the hedging instrument and for the hypothetical derivative? Option 1, Good for sourcing of standard items. Option 2, Allows for exploration and comparison of a variety of possible options. Option 3, Enables suppliers to differentiate themselves. Option 4, Hedge accounting key. Question: what is evaluated to ensure proper calculation of the reclassification amounts and the relevant BR/hedging relationship is classified and posted on the reclassification date? Option 1, Financial transaction. Option 2, Visibility of spend. Option 3, Maverick spend. Option 4 spend on catalog. Question, which of the date is determined according to the settings that you have made in the balance BR/sheet recognition field on the Hedge Accounting I tab of the hedging area? Option 1 SAP HANA Platform. Option 2 non-catalog items. Option 3 existing kits. Option 4 reclassification date. Question, what is performed with the maturity date of the financial transaction and with the end of the hedging BR/relationship? Option 1 predictive results. Option 2 upload from a PDF. Option 3 create from a contract workspace. Option 4 de-designation. Question, which of the function selects the exposure sub-item position flows to be reclassified? Option 1 online sourcing functionality. Option 2 competitive bidding. Option 3 advanced bid analysis tools. Option 4 fix and post derived business transactions. Question, which of the item represents the operational exposure that results from designation splitting? Option 1 hedged item. Option 2 approval tasks. Option 3 request for proposals. Option 4 SAP HANA. Question, which of the class is automatically determined from the settings made in customizing on the BR/product type level? Option 1 valuation class. Option 2 bidding rules. Option 3 currency rules. Option 4 market feedback. Question, which of the ID is displayed and you can open a dialog box with detailed information about the BR/snapshot corresponding to the exposure item? Option 1 article. Option 2 project owners. Option 3 surrogate bidders. Option 4 relevant snapshot ID. Question, which of the risk tile displays balance sheet FX risk measures absolute exposures, absolute BR/hedges, and absolute net exposures as well as hedge amount and exposure amounts on the BR/level of the company codes in display currency? Option 1 balance sheet FX risk. Option 2 active observers. Option 3 administrators. Option 4 global observers. Question, what is used only for selected monetary assets and liabilities since the changes in value of the BR/hedging instrument and the underlying transaction have usually already been recognized in profit and BR/loss? Option 1 hedge accounting. Option 2 article master. Option 3 new leads. Option 4 contract and supplier. Question, which of the setting available is hedge strategy 500 with calculation type 201 interest rate instrument, BR/benchmark without accrued interest? Option 1 concept of column data storage. Option 2 find buyers ready to buy. Option 3 accelerate sales cycles. Option 4 standard customizing setting. Question, Which of the data transfer program uses an import, receiver, structure called a transfer category to BR/map external data to risk objects? Option 1 external data. Option 2 board and track. Option 3 broadcast it with catalogs. Option 4 article master. Question: where the system calculates a premium for the transactions and saves this only as a current BR/market value. Option 1 in a sourcing event. Option 2 process compliance. Option 3 pricing and terms repository. Option 4 in the case of currency options. Question: what can be used to split the valuation results determined into effective and ineffective portions? Option 1 classification. Option 2 ASN and quality. Option 3 inventory collaboration. Option 4 consignment. Question: which of the analyzer component of SAP Treasury and Risk Management offers corporations and insurance companies a range of functions for managing risks on a global basis? Option 1 typed in manually. Option 2 copied from the sourcing library. Option 3 imported from a spreadsheet. Option 4 market risk analyzer, TRMMR. Question: what can be used for bank internal risk control, as well as for regulatory external control? Option 1 active observers. Option 2 administrators. Option 3 risk analysis. Option 4 data modeling. Question: what are used during the extraction and posting of data in the initial load of FI/co-postings, BR/ which is carried out via customizing of central finance? Option 1 package keys. Option 2 link to change requests. Option 3 monitor service desk. Option 4 implement SAP services. Question: is SAP S/4HANA can be deployed on which of below edition? Option 1 none of the above. Option 2 on-premise. Option 3 private. Option 4 hybrid. Option 5 cloud. Question: the G/L accounts to which acquisition and production costs, APC, are posted, as well as the BR/G/L accounts for the cumulated depreciation, are defined as reconciliation accounts for fixed BR/assets? Option 1 in the central finance system. Option 2 in the asset system. Option 3 in the source system. Option 4 in the GL account system. Question: when the asset information is deleted from asset-related fields of the FL documents, for example BR/ from the fields ANLN1 and ALN2? Option 1 before this type of document is posted in the central finance system. Option 2 add-in, BADL, to transfer the asset information to customer-defined fields. Option 3 all asset accounts for APC and cumulated depreciation. Option 4 the G/L accounts to which acquisition. Question, which type of user, who is responsible for analyzing errors in AFA user based on the role template br/sap_AF_user? Option 1 end user. Option 2 business user. Option 3 client. Option 4 the replication of asset. Question, which documents originate from asset postings in the source system are not posted to fixed br/asset accounting, FLAA, in the central finance system? Option 1 replicated FL documents. Option 2 HANA document. Option 3 SAP MDG documents. Option 4 SAP Simple Finance documents. Question, please explain the roles of typical questions arising from the TRM job roles. Multiple answers br/for this question. Option 1 Cash Manager, how do I improve cash and liquidity forecasting and gain more accurate and br/timely insight into global cash balances? Option 2 Treasury Operations Manager, how do I ensure highly secure and quickly payments and br/minimize external fees? Option 3 Financial Risk Manager, how do I pinpoint my financial risks and take more effective steps to br/mitigate them? Option 4 Treasury Finance Manager, how do I improve company strategy? Option 5 Sales Manager, what is sales area wise? Question, for which money market trade types are fast entry tiles available? Note, there are 3 correct br/answers to this question. Option 1 Commercial paper. Option 2 Facility. Option 3 Cash flow instrument. Option 4 Fixed term deposit. Option 5 Deposit at notice. Question, what are the benefits of Treasury and Risk Management belongs to S/4 HANA? Multiple answers for br/this question. Option 1 The data model has been simplified. Option 2 Flexibility SAP S/4 HANA can be deployed on-premise or in the cloud. Option 3 A brand new user experience is possible. Option 4 The cost of the implementation can be saved. Option 5 SAP S/4 HANA is built on SAP HANA and so inherits all the capabilities of this powerful in-memory data management and application platform. Question, which main components does the TRM solution consists of as below? Option 1 General Ledger. Option 2 Transaction Manager. Option 3 Cost Center Controlling. Option 4 Risk Analyzers. Option 5 Hedge Management. Question, which logic is not active in the productive source system? The raw posting information does not br/get captured and is also not included in a copy of the system. Option 1 Central Finance. Option 2 Central Projects, WBS, Reporting Scenario. Option 3 Partial Payments Integration. Option 4 Activate Central Payment by Company Code. Question, what are the three SAP Fiori user experience paradigms as below mentioned? Option 1 instant value. Option 2 role-based. Option 3 none of the above. Option 4 simple. Option 5 coherent. Question, which setting in the Assign External Transaction Types to Posting Rules folder do you use? Option 1 Posting Type. Option 2 Search String. Option 3 Interpretation Algorithm. Option 4 Account Modifier. Question, all asset accounts for APC and accumulated depreciation must either be set up as a non-reconciliation balance sheet account or mapped to a non-reconciliation balance sheet account. Option 1 in the Central Finance System. Option 2 in the GL account system. Option 3 in the Asset System. Option 4 in the Source System. Question, you need to run 3 accounting principles, GAAPs, in parallel for one accounting code. How must you specify the accounting settings? Note, there are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1 3 valuation areas. Option 2 3 general valuation classes. Option 3 1 general valuation class. Option 4 3 portfolios. Option 5 3 valuation classes. Question, what cannot be posted because of an invalid mapping rule, missing customizing, or master data? Option 1 Profit Center Accounting. Option 2 Central Finance Project System Master Data. Option 3 Documents. Option 4 Profit Center Accounting Simulation. Question, the Internal Accounting Interface posts Financial Accounting, FL, / Management Accounting, CO, BR / Documents to as a universal journal entry. Option 1 SAP Master Data Governance. Option 2 SAP Simple Finance. Option 3 SAP HANA. Option 4 FL Document. Question, which is the right order the transaction manager steps are mostly used in TRM? Please provide BR / correct sequence. Option 1 Reporting Payment, Create Deal Posting, Settle Deal Valuation. Option 2 Valuation, Payment, Create Deal, Reporting, Posting, Settle Deal. Option 3 Create Deal Settle Deal, Posting, Payment, Valuation, Reporting. Option 4 Posting Settle Deal Valuation, Payment, Create Deal, Reporting. Question, what customizing settings do you apply to automatically create hedge accounting data? Note, BR / there are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1 Create hedge item. Option 2 Automatic designation. Option 3 Exposure rollover. Option 4 Create hedge data. Option 5 Exposure premature settlement. Question, what does allow you to distribute messages to different users, use alerts, and carry out reporting? Option 1 SAP AVE. Option 2 fins_CFIN_AVE_CO. Option 3 fins_CFIN_AVE_doc_post. Option 4 fins_CFIN_AVE_gen. Question, what is used to transfer postings from a period, for example the current fiscal year, from your BR/source systems to your central finance system? Option 1 use periodic reposting. Option 2 use settlement. Option 3 the initial load. Option 4 use overhead surcharging. Question, the data footprint increased with the introduction of SAP S/4HANA. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question, the front-end business role SAP_BR_cash_manager provides an example on how you could BR/group cash management related tiles into catalogs and groups. Option 1 false. Option 2 true. Question, when you use the bank account upload functionality, which of the following operations can you perform? Note, there are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 change signatories. Option 2 create attachments. Option 3 create bank accounts. Option 4 change bank accounts. Question, you customize the defined search string for electronic bank statement node. What do you enter BR/ into the target field? Option 1 the clearing algorithm. Option 2 the value to be searched. Option 3 the posting rule. Option 4 the value that is derived. Question, which of the following describes the customization of the payment approval pattern? Option 1 is the highest priority when multiple payment approval patterns are assigned. Option 2 the company code and account type must be used when the payment approval patterns are assigned. Option 3 the payment approval patterns are assigned with the maximum amount limit. Option 4 a sequential and a non-sequential payment approval pattern can be assigned to a bank account. Question, during which of the phase of the initial load it is sometimes necessary to reset the data BR/transferred by the initial load? Option 1 controlling phase. Option 2 functional phase. Option 3 operating phase. Option 4 test phase. Question, in which activity, you can compare the actual postings to management accounting, CO, with the BR/expected postings? Option 1 the totals report for cost centers. Option 2 compare actual and expected CO postings in central finance. Option 3 the compact document journal. Option 4 the compact document journals. Question, why must you assign special accounts, clearing and substitution accounts, for the initial load during BR/customizing? Note, there are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 there must be a substitution account for every reconciliation account. Option 2 loading balances need an offsetting account. Option 3 after initial load, an offsetting account will be posted automatically to achieve a balanced balance sheet. Option 4 substitution accounts must be used for sensitive data of the source system. Question: which object do you use to create a portfolio hierarchy? Option 1 Evaluation type. Option 2 Analysis structure. Option 3 Portfolio. Option 4 Financial object. Question: you create a money market CEL. When do you specify the currency on the entry screen? Option 1 When the currency is identical to the company code currency. Option 2 When the currency is a non-deliverable currency. Option 3 When the currency is different than the company code currency. Option 4 When the currency of the counterparty is different than the company code currency. Question: what cannot be linked to the corresponding co-line items? For example, when document BR/summarization is turned on, new postings cannot be created because no co-object can be found to which expenses or revenues are posted. Option 1 The costs are determined by the cost estimate of a reference order. Option 2 Optimal support for operations. Option 3 Differences occur when FL document line items. Option 4 The actual quantities are valuated with plan values. Question: what must you define before you can create a liquidity item hierarchy? Option 1 General liquidity item derivations. Option 2 Company code specific liquidity item derivations. Option 3 Liquidity items. Option 4 Liquidity plan. Question: where you can navigate back from an FL document to the original sales order. Option 1 SAP Master Data Governance. Option 2 Master Data Consolidation. Option 3 Controlling Documents. Option 4 Document Relationship Browser. Question: which mapping do you use for objects which are maintained in customizing? Option 1 Process Integration Mapping. Option 2 MDG Key Mapping, ID Mapping. Option 3 MDG Value Mapping, Code Mapping. Option 4 Cost Object Mapping Framework. Question: SAP_SFIN_cash_manager is a sample role that maps the whole cash management process. Option 1 True. Option 2 False. Question: what makes ensure that FL transactions that are dependent on one another are not processed BR/simultaneously, as this could lead to errors? Option 1 Serialization in AIF. Option 2 System using SAP AIF. Option 3 Accounting document change. Option 4 Replicated FL documents. Question: what are the three different SAP Fiori app types below mentioned? Option 1 Transactional. Option 2 Analytical. Option 3 None of the above. Option 4 Fact sheet. Question: which type of documents requires specific configuration in the central finance system? Option 1 Replicated FIA document. Option 2 Replicated FIGL document. Option 3, the replication of asset. Option 4, replicated FL documents. Question: you implement hedge management and hedge accounting. How do you explain the BR/hypothetical derivative? Option 1, it is the representation of the hedged item. Option 2, it is the representation of the hedging instrument. Option 3, it is the link between the hedged item and hedging instrument. Option 4, it is the representation of the hedging relationship in Market Risk Analyzer. Question: which of the following comparisons are available for liquidity analysis? 2. Option 1, actual to actual. Option 2, plan to forecast. Option 3, liquidity hierarchy to liquidity hierarchy. Option 4, plan to actual. Question: which of the following accrual and deferral methods are supported? Option 1, difference. Option 2, reversed. Option 3, partial. Option 4, reset. Question: you are testing new products. Which of the following trade types creates postings for an BR/exchange of nominal amounts? 1. Option 1, swaption. Option 2, cross-currency swap. Option 3, credit default swap. Option 4, interest rate swap. Question: you note missing memo record information on a report. Which table do you check to analyze BR/the problem? Option 1, FCLSUM. Option 2, FQM_flow. Option 3, FDSB. Option 4, FDES. Question: you work on a business blueprint for the correspondence business partner group. Which BR/configuration settings can you select? 2. Option 1, counter confirmation required. Option 2, contract settlement required. Option 3, automatic correspondence. Option 4, correspondence object creation. Question: from which sources can you copy reference data during the planning process? Option 1, actual data. Option 2, treasury cash flow data. Option 3, cash position data. Option 4, forecast data. Option 5, previous plans. Question: which of the following payments can be executed by the Treasury payment program? Option 1, payments to customers and vendors. Option 2, mobile payments. Option 3, loans management payments. Option 4, payroll payments. Option 5, payment requests. Question: you need to approve the standard workflow template WS78500050. Which SAP Fiori app do you use? Option 1 Manage Workflow Templates. Option 2 Manage Workflows. Option 3 for bank accounts. Option 4 Manage Workflow Scenarios. Option 5 Workflow Administration. Question: which steps must you configure to activate SAP S/4HANA Cache Management? 2. Option 1 Specify the cache scope as full scope. Option 2 Activate the business function fin_FSCM_CLM. Option 3 Specify the cache scope as basic scope. Option 4 Activate the business function fin_FSIM_CLIV1. Question: which activities can you configure to initiate the deal release workflow for a money market BR/transaction? Option 1 Change. Option 2 Premature settlement. Option 3 Reversal. Option 4 Add or create. Option 5 Delete. Question: which of the following are back office tasks for an interest rate instrument? Option 1 Reverse. Option 2 Exercise. Option 3 Rollover. Option 4 Settle. Question: what must you do when you configure the automatic payment transactions for payment requests program? Option 1 Define payment method, S, by bank. Option 2 Define payment request number ranges by company code. Option 3 Specify the payment request clearing account by company code. Option 4 Specify currencies valid for each payment method. Question: which of the following are dual control workflows in Treasury payment processes? Option 1 Free-form payment approval. Option 2 Bank-to-bank transfer payment approval. Option 3 Repetitive code template creation approval. Option 4 Repetitive code payment approval. Question: you are testing a cash flow transaction. How do you capture the BR/flows? Option 1 They are inherent to a cash flow transaction. Option 2 They are automatically generated by condition types. Option 3 They are derived from the transaction type. Option 4 They are entered manually. Question: you need to separate security positions by valuation area, special valuation class, and BR/securities account. Which customizing activity do you perform? 1. Option 1 Define valuation areas. Option 2 Define and assign differentiations. Option 3 Define position attributes. Option 4 Define security account groups. Question: you implement Market Risk Analyzer. Option 1, a hierarchy of portfolios provided by the portfolio characteristic. Option 2, an organizational hierarchy. Option 3, a hierarchy to compare the results of different values at risk. Option 4, a hierarchy selected from characteristics. Question: you configure Credit Risk Analyzer. What must you do to activate the single transaction check? Option 1, define at least one single transaction check product. Option 2, schedule the utilization report. Option 3, enable the end-of-day processing of the Credit Risk Analyzer. Option 4, activate the integrated default risk limit check. Question: which of the following objects is considered master data for a securities contract? Option 1, CI General Valuation Class. Option 2, CI Financial Position Object. Option 3, CI Master Agreement. Option 4, CI Class Data. Question: which of the following contract types is used as a hedging instrument? Current account style instrument. Option 1, fixed term deposit. Option 2, current account style instrument. Option 3, loan. Option 4, FX forward. Question: which reference data sources can the subsidiary cash manager use for planning purposes? Option 1, plan data of the previous planning cycle. Option 2, previous year and #39, S actual data. Option 3, previous year and #39, S liquidity forecast data. Option 4, previous year and #39, S actual data with the percentage changes in all values. Option 5, liquidity forecast data. Question: what are the available account revision options when you configure the bank account revision BR/process? Option 1, formal activation. Option 2, indirect activation. Option 3, activate directly. Option 4, activate viaduct workflow. Option 5, activate viaduct dual control. Question: you create a securities account with a liability security accounts category. Which securities does it BR/hold? Option 1, own issued bonds. Option 2, purchased bonds. Option 3, loans. Option 4, repurchase agreements. Question: at which levels are authorizations assigned in the business partner's standing instructions? Option 1, product category. Option 2, flow type. Option 3, product type. Option 4, business partner category. Option 5, transaction type. Question, you are preparing scenarios in Market Risk Analyzer for testing purposes. Which market data BR/ can you use to create scenarios? 2. Option 1 Default rates. Option 2 Exchange rates. Option 3 Credit spreads. Option 4 Correlations. Question, which of the following scenarios trigger a bank account management workflow? 2. Option 1 Reviewing bank accounts. Option 2 Closing a bank account. Option 3 Adding attachments to a bank account. Option 4 Downloading bank accounts. Question, what must you specify when you configure payment methods? 2. Option 1 Direction of the payment method. Option 2 Distribution amount. Option 3 Minimum amount limit. Option 4 Document type for payment and clearing. Question, which fields are required to enter a money market contract? 3. Option 1 Portfolio. Option 2 Product type. Option 3 Company code. Option 4 Business partner. Option 5 Security ID number. Question, which of the following market data types can you import into the system? Option 1 Correlations. Option 2 Discount factors. Option 3 Exchange rate. Option 4 Exchange limits. Option 5 Interest rates. Question, why do you set sensitive fields when you customize bank account master data? Option 1 to store sensitive information of the bank account. Option 2 to derive a special field status. Option 3 to protect fields against changes. Option 4 to trigger workflows using SAP Business Workflow. Question, what do payment signatories in bank account management enable you to do? 2. Option 1 Assign different bank accounts with different signatories and payment approval. Option 2 Assign signatories at the house bank ID level. Option 3 Group bank accounts into different payment groups. Option 4 Group signatories into different business groups. Question, how does SAP define liquidity management? Option 1 It is a short to medium-term cash and liquidity tool to manage future cash requirements. Option 2 It is a liquidity forecast tool to determine potential future customer inflows and vendor outflows of cash. Option 3 It is a medium to long-term analytical forecast and planning tool to identify use and source of actual cash movements. Option 4 It is a liquidity forecast tool to identify short to medium-term liquidity needs. Movements. Question, you are implementing the new foreign exchange, FX, hedge management and hedge accounting. You define a hedging profile, which is used for the configuration of the hedging RBR/A. What can you specify in the hedging profile? 2. Option 1 Designation types. Option 2 Hedging scenario. Option 3 Product types for exposure sub-items. Option 4 Settings used for the effectiveness tests. Question: which of the following are components of a format tree? 3. Option 1 Item. Option 2 Element. Option 3 Footer. Option 4 Atom. Option 5 Header. Question: you need to analyze the result of an estimated change of interest rates on the net present value BR/ of the portfolio. How do you perform this analysis? Option 1 Maintain market data shifts. Option 2 Run key date valuation twice. Option 3 Modify yield curves in market data. Option 4 Change the contract's interest conditions. Question: designation types are required with the automated designation process. Which combination of BR/values can you use when you assign designation types in the hedging area? Option 1 BR/company code BR/valuation area BR/company code on behalf of which the financial transaction is created BR/hedging classification BR/company code on behalf of which the financial transaction is created. Option 2 BR/valuation area BR/hedge strategy BR/hedging classification BR/company code on behalf of which the financial transaction is created. Option 3 BR/valuation area BR/hedging area BR/currency BR/company code. Option 4 BR/valuation area BR/hedging area BR/hedging classification. Question: which money market activity categories can you configure to generate correspondence? 3. Option 1 Contract. Option 2 Rollover. Option 3 Offer. Option 4 Rate fixing. Option 5 Premature settlement. Question: which action is unique to a non-deliverable forward deal type? Option 1 Knock-in. Option 2 Exercise. Option 3 Give notice. Option 4 Rate fixing. Question: you need to ensure the correspondence is generated after the trade is created and saved. What BR/ is the trigger for the correspondence? Option 1 Correspondence object. Option 2 Correspondence recipient type. Option 3 Communication channel. Option 4 Correspondence activity. Question: after you activate Financial Object Integration for Market Risk Analyzer, what becomes available for the BR/contracts? Option 1 Online Limit Check. Option 2 Hedging Relationships. Option 3 Analysis Parameters tab. Option 4 Status tab. Question: which item is maintained in the standing instructions of a business partner's counterparty role? 1. Option 1 Credit standing. Option 2 Derived flows. Option 3 Bank details. Option 4 Trading partner. Question: in which order do you customize the electronic bank statement functionality? Option 1 BR/create keys for posting BR/rules. Define posting rules. BR/assign accounts to account symbols. BR/assign bank accounts to transaction BR/type. Option 2 BR/create account symbols. BR/assign accounts to account BR/symbol. Create keys for posting BR/rules. BR/define posting BR/rules. Option 3 BR/assign accounts to account symbols. BR/assign interpretation algorithm to external transaction BR/code. Create keys for posting rules. BR/assign bank accounts to transaction BR/type. Option 4 BR/create account symbols. BR/assign external transaction types to posting BR/rules. Create keys for posting rules. BR/create transaction type. Question: you configure a new money market product and need to ensure the product follows the order BR/contract settlement process steps. How do you achieve this requirement? Option 1 with the processing category which is assigned at the product type level. Option 2 with the processing category which is assigned at the transaction type level. Option 3 with the product category which is assigned at the product type level. Option 4 with the product category which is assigned at the transaction type level. Question: which of the following one exposure fields should you populate as part of the initialization? 3. Option 1 account type. Option 2 flow types. Option 3 liquidity items. Option 4 house bank accounts. Option 5 value date. Question: you have enabled two business transaction events, BTE, in configuration to enable signatory BR/control. What impact does this have on the payment approval process? Option 1 users defined in SAP Bank Communication Management can approve payments. Option 2 users defined in SAP Bank Account Management can approve payments. Option 3 users defined in SAP Multi-Bank Connectivity can approve payments. Option 4 users defined in SAP Payment Engine can approve payments. Question: which elements control account determination for transaction manager deals? 3. Option 1 account assignment reference. Option 2 valuation area. Option 3 portfolio. Option 4 update type. Option 5 flow type. Question: which data element do you require to add a bank account to a bank account hierarchy? Option 1 business partner. Option 2 SWIFT code. Option 3 house bank ID. Option 4 account ID. Question: you are implementing the memo record function. Which memo record characteristics are BR/controlled by the planning type? 3. Option 1 Field status definition. Option 2 Archiving category. Option 3 House bank account. Option 4 General ledger account. Option 5 Number range. Question: which of the following details must you enter when you define cash management account names? Option 1 The G/L account corresponding to the bank account. Option 2 The planning type for the bank account. Option 3 The bank account number. Option 4 The currency of the bank account. Question: which pricing types are supported when you create a new bank fee condition? 3. Option 1 Tier pricing. Option 2 Permanent pricing. Option 3 Discount pricing. Option 4 Unit pricing. Option 5 Flat pricing. Question: which import option for market data is supported? Option 1 Data feed. Option 2 Market data wizard. Option 3 Bloomberg connector. Option 4 XML file upload. Question: which calculation methods can you configure for the value at risk analysis? 3. Option 1 Monte Carlo valuation. Option 2 Historical simulation. Option 3 Gap analysis. Option 4 Net present value calculation. Option 5 Variance/covariance approach. Question: which of the following prerequisites must a business partner have who is linked to a bank in the BR/Manage Banks app? 2. Option 1 The business partner category is a group. Option 2 The financial services role is assigned. Option 3 The bank role is assigned. Option 4 The business partner category is an organization. Question: you experience a low automatic reconciliation for incoming payments. What must you create? Option 1 A new reprocessing code. Option 2 A new posting rule. Option 3 A new bank clearing account. Option 4 A new search string rule. Question: which analytical tool do you use to display and develop liquidity plans? Option 1 SAP Analysis for Microsoft Office. Option 2 Design Studio. Option 3 SAP Lumira. Option 4 Tableau. Question, for which data do you define liquidity item derivation rules of type origin X? Option 1 data from remote systems. Option 2 supplier line items. Option 3 bank statement postings. Option 4 customer line items. Question, what are the phases of a hedging relationship? 3. Option 1 rollover. Option 2 end. Option 3 exposure capture. Option 4 ongoing life. Option 5 inception. Question, you are implementing market risk analyzer and need to enable specific valuations by product BR/types. What must you define? Option 1 valuation rules. Option 2 evaluation types. Option 3 general valuation classes. Option 4 valuation areas. Question, when you execute the Treasury payment program, in which order must you execute the steps? Option 1. Enter payment parameters BR/2. Run payment proposal BR/3. Payment run create payment medium BR/4. Payment run accounting BR/entries. Option 2-1. Run payment proposal BR/2. Enter payment parameters BR/3. Payment run create payment medium BR/4. Payment run accounting BR/entries. Option 3 BR/1. Enter payment parameters BR/2. Run payment proposal BR/3. Payment run accounting entries BR/4. Payment run create payment BR/medium. Option 4 BR/1. Run payment proposal BR/2. Enter payment parameters BR/3. Payment run accounting entries BR/4. Payment run create payment medium. Question, which function is performed in credit risk analyzer? Option 1 evaluation procedure. Option 2 value at risk calculation. Option 3 portfolio analysis. Option 4 online limit check. Question, your current payment outflows meet all netting requirements. Which transaction manager flows BR/ can you link through netting? 3. Option 1 2 or more money market transaction flows. Option 2 2 money market flows and a foreign exchange flow. Option 3 1 money market flow and a free-form payment request. Option 4 bank-to-bank repetitive payment and a money market flow. Option 5 5 derivative flows and 1 security flow. Question, you implement market risk analyzer and work on the financial object integration. Which setting BR/ do you choose to ensure a transaction manager contract is saved with the mandatory market BR/ risk analyzer data? Option 1 completely active. Option 2 partial integration. Option 3 partially active. Option 4 full integration. Question, where do you activate the trading platform integration? Option 1 hedge plan. Option 2 hedging area. Option 3 hedge profile. Option 4 hedge management cockpit. Question, you implement market risk analyzer. What can you achieve when you use the results database? Option 1. Decouple the calculation of key figures from reporting. Option 2. Combine net present value and value at risk in one report. Option 3. Forward the net present value to Transaction Manager. Option 4. Import yield curves, foreign exchange rates and sensitivities. Question: which tool do you use to integrate data from Treasury and Risk Management to one exposure from Operations Hub? Option 1. File upload. Option 2. Direct integration. Option 3. Flow builder. Option 4. FQM adapter. Question: you are testing the creation of references between contracts. For which scenarios does the BR/system create references automatically? Option 1. Rollover of a foreign exchange forward. Option 2. Rollover of a money market deal. Option 3. Foreign exchange swap. Option 4. Second purchase of a security. Option 5. Mirrored deal. Question: what does SAP and #39s multi-bank connectivity provide for your project? 3. Option 1. End-to-end integration to banks for incoming and outgoing payment processes. Option 2. Direct integration to banks. Option 3. Connects to multiple banks through real-time, batch, or manual upload/download. Option 4. Cloud-based corporate to bank connectivity that is open to the public. Option 5. End-to-end solution that can be used from either SAP ECC or SAP S/4HANA environments. Question: you implement Credit Risk Analyzer. What do you use to configure the determination of the BR/attributable amount? 2. Option 1. Default risk rule. Option 2. Determination procedure. Option 3. Limit product group. Option 4. Limit type. Question: which of the following are source applications for snapshots in cash management? 2. Option 1. Human capital management. Option 2. Project systems. Option 3. Contract accounts receivable and payable. Option 4. Consumer and mortgage loans. Question: you are configuring Exposure Management 2.0, which is used with hedge management. What BR/ can you achieve with the exposure activity type? 2. Option 1. Configure the procedures for an automatic derivation of hedging relationships. Option 2. Activate the dual control option. Option 3. Distinguish incoming from outgoing exposures. Option 4. Determine whether raw exposures shall be released manually or automatically. Question: which roles are associated with the bank account review process? 2. Option 1. Final reviewer. Option 2. Review initiator. Option 3. Legal reviewer. Option 4. Authorized reviewer. Question: which advantages do you have by using the sidecar approach for SAP HANA cash management? BR/2. Option 1. The 1 exposure structures in ECC and SAP S/4HANA are kept in sync through distributed BR/cache management. Option 2. The centralized cache position analysis and the liquidity forecast are available in SAP S/4HANA. Option 3. The full scope of make bank transfers and approve bank payments based on bank communication management is available. Option 4. The bank relationship management across all bank accounts can be managed in SAP S/4HANA. Question: what must you do before you can use the reconcile cash flows intraday memo record process? Option 1. Set the monitoring rules for the intraday bank statements app. Option 2. Set the create planning types per bank account node. Option 3. Configure tolerance groups. Option 4. Configure the define transaction node.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.